Emilio. Bye, Emilio. Cheryl. Sharky. The sunrise. Good morning, beautiful lady. Morning, Sharky. I just woke up. Does anyone remember their dreams really well? Do you know, I woke up last night from a dream and I was laughing. Absolutely laughing. Sharky. Yeah, it was pretty funny. Wanna give some to Sharky, sweetie? You're beautiful today. Yeah. I was going to give some to Sharky. Okay. Ready? Okay. Yeah, look. Yeah. That's what Sharky can do. Sharky can hop down there and get him. I'll give you yours first. You're the lady of the family. Yeah. It's the best. Good boy, Sharky. You're the one I need to look after, don't I? Because you look after everybody else. So that's what I've decided to do. Look after the lady of the family now. Okay. Now, Sharky? You're welcome, Sharky. There you go. Good boy. Very good. Alright. And Amelia, I'll come down and get someone. I'll go inside. Yeah, darling. You're welcome. Don't push it, Steph. Okay. Alright. Try and stay respectful to the wild. Don't play with them, they don't play with me. Good morning, everybody. Have a great day.